Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new logo design tutorial, and today I'll show you this type of logo design which is really easy and good process. So if you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. Let's start the tutorial. I'm going to the Illustrator. I made this one by using the line tool and other stuffs. So how to do that? Going to the file and taking new options. From here I'm taking the file size which is 2000 pixel and giving the name logo, and after that hit the create button. If you want to get the color preference, here is the RGB color because of I want to publish it in a web, and if you want to print it out, go to the CMYK color. Okay, hit the create button. You are getting new artboard. Going to the line segment tool and press the shift and hold it and drawing a line like that. Okay, and here going to this, press alter option button, option for the Mac and alter for the Windows. So just press the shift and hold it, and you can just copy this one and press the controller command and press D for the repetition. That's good. And then select all the stuffs. You can make it bigger by using like this and like this, and making it group because of I want to make this one like rotation and other stuffs. So after that, Ctrl C and Ctrl F, Ctrl C for the copy and Ctrl F for the forward paste, and after that press the shift and hold it. When you are getting the rotation sign, just rotate this one like that, and again Ctrl C and Ctrl F, copy and forward paste, and then press the shift and just making this one 45 degree or 2 to 5 degree. That's good. Select all the stuffs and going to the shape builders tool from here, or press the shift M from the keyboard. After that, taking color by using the foreground color black, it will help you out to make your shape properly. That's good. Our logo is ready, and double check the left area. If it is left, please do the same thing or fill it up. And after that, going to the magic wand tool, select once in a line, all line will select, and press the delete from the keyboard. And after that, select all the stuffs. If there is any stroke, turn off the stroke color, only the fill color. Now making it group, and here the alignment, going to the align to artboard and making it in the middle of the artboard. And after that, select gradient from here, and you can use gradient to pole. Here double press over there, select one color and select another color from here, like this. So you are getting like that. The logo is ready in an Illustrator. So now we'll make this one into mockup. Go to the free pick or other website where you can get the free logo mockups. So from here I'm just downloaded this mockup, and I'll provide you the download link in my video description. And after downloading that, we're getting this PSD file and open it in a Photoshop. So after opening it up, I already made this one earlier, and after that double press in a smart object, turn off the previous one, and controller command C for the copy, and then controller command V for the paste, and the pixels you can select and hit OK, making it a little bit of bigger by pressing the alter option button and making it a little bit of bigger. Hit the tick button and save it out, and after that you are getting the logo over there, which is really cool and easiest way. Hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend, and if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment in my video comment section. All the links I given in my video description, please check it out, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Until the next video, ASM Arif signing out today. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers. Bye bye.